Hello, guys, and
Hello.
welcome to Making Michael. Well, I'm making, and this is Michael, and we're from Denmark. We live in a special kind of boarding school.
And the boarding school's like interest thing, I don't know what the hell it's called. Key things is culture and different languages, which we find very interesting.
Yeah,
Um,
we have Cambridge English, and it's at the highest level in ESL examinations. So
which means
yeah,
English.
which means we're pretty good at English and understanding English. I'm not that good at talking English, as you may hear from my accent, but it's Danish and I'm a Dane, so it doesn't matter that much.
She's actually at the highest level at Cambridge English. Yeah, just saying.
No, I'm not at the highest level. I was.
Yeah, okay. She was.
But the boarding school is called an efterskole in Danish, and it's a special kind of boarding school where you live and you go to school and just for the heck of it and just have fun for a year or maybe two if you're lucky or you want to continue and you have the money to continue. It's expensive to go to an after school.
Yeah.
If you don't get any support from the government.
It's about $15,000, I think. The normal price a year.
Yeah, American dollars.
Yeah.
I have to say American. But in these small vlog videos, we're just going to talk about our daily lives in the school and maybe a cultural festival visit, which is coming up very soon. 3 weeks, I think, 4.
So we've got to prepare.
Yeah, and we're using the whole weekend, this weekend, to prepare for it.
Yeah.
And staying at our teacher's home, which, no, she's not a pedophile. She's just a cake baker.
Mm.
And we love her.
That's enough for now.
What?
No, I'm just kidding. But that was a short introduction to this channel, and have fun.